Hi, Felicity. Can you show them your squeals? Say hi. We hear this all day now, huh? All day. This is how Felicity talks to us. Where's your squeals? I think that's all for now. She wants her bear instead. Oh, get it. Here you go. And into her mouth.